Welcome to our breakdown of the 15 most overrated handguns of 2025. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or just entering the world of firearms, it's easy to get caught up in the hype around certain handguns. But not every popular model is as impressive as its reputation suggests. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the most overrated handguns on the market today. From overpriced options to models that just don't live up to the expectations, we're diving into the details of what's being sold and whether it truly lives up to the hype. 15. Beretta M9A4. The Beretta M9A4 is a full-sized 9mm pistol that modernizes the classic M9 design. It features a 5.12-inch barrel, contributing to its overall length of approximately 8.66 inches. The unloaded weight is around 33.33 ounces, providing a solid and stable shooting experience. Standard magazine capacity is 18 rounds, with options for 15 or 10 rounds in capacity-restricted areas. Priced starting at $1,229 USD, the M9A4 includes a red dot optic-ready slide, dovetailed tritium night sights, an enhanced extreme trigger system, and aggressively textured Vertex-style thin grips for improved control. 14. Desert Eagle. The Desert Eagle is an iconic, large-frame semi-automatic pistol known for its powerful performance and unique design. With a barrel length of 6 inches, it's built for precision and delivering impressive stopping power. The pistol's weight is around 70 ounces, making it one of the heaviest handguns available. It comes with a magazine capacity of 7 to 8 rounds, depending on the caliber, typically .50 AE, .44 Magnum, or .357 Magnum. The Desert Eagle is priced between $1,500 and $2,000 US, making it an expensive but thrilling choice for collectors and enthusiasts seeking sheer power and style. 13. Shadow Systems. MR920. The Shadow Systems MR920 is a compact, striker-fired pistol built on Glock 19 pattern components, offering enhanced ergonomics and performance. It features a barrel length of 4 inches, providing a balance between accuracy and concealability. The unloaded weight is approximately 21.5 ounces, making it lightweight for daily carry. It comes with a standard magazine capacity of 15 rounds, compatible with Glock 19 magazines. Priced around $899.99, the MR920 offers value with features like an optic-ready slide, interchangeable backstraps, and a removable magazine, making it a competitive choice in its category. 12. Colt Python. The Colt Python 2020 reissue is a beautifully crafted revolver that pays homage to its legendary predecessor, though it doesn't quite live up to the original's reputation. Featuring a barrel length of 6 inches, it offers solid accuracy but lacks the refinement of the original. The revolver weighs around 46 ounces, making it heavier than many modern handguns. With a price range of approximately $3,000 to $3,600 US, it's on the expensive side. The Python comes with a 6-round cylinder capacity. While stunning, it doesn't quite deliver the legendary performance that made the original famous. 11. Springfield Hellcat Pro. The Springfield Hellcat Pro is a compact 9mm pistol designed for concealed carry, offering a balance between size and capacity. It features a 3.7-inch barrel and measures approximately 6.6 inches in length, 1 inch in width, and 4.5 inches in height. The unloaded weight is around 21 ounces, making it lightweight for daily carry. Standard magazine capacity is 15 plus 1 rounds, with an extended 17-round magazine included. Priced around $649 USD, the Hellcat Pro includes features like tritium U-dot sights, a Picatinny accessory rail, and an optional manual safety. The Sig Sauer P365X Macro is a compact 9mm pistol that redefines concealed carry with its impressive 17 plus 1 round capacity. It features a 3.1-inch barrel, contributing to its sleek profile. Weighing approximately 20.7 ounces unloaded, it offers a balance between portability and manageable recoil. Measuring 6.6 inches in length, 1.1 inches in width, and 5.2 inches in height, the X Macro is designed for comfortable concealment. It comes equipped with SIG's X-ray 3 day-night sights and an optics-ready slide for customization. Priced around $669, the P365X Macro combines high capacity with everyday carry convenience. 9FN509 Tactical. The FN509 Tactical is a 9mm semi-automatic pistol designed for tactical applications. It features a 4.5-inch barrel, contributing to its overall length of 7.9 inches. Weighing approximately 27.9 ounces unloaded, it offers a balanced feel. The standard magazine capacity is 17 rounds, with a 24-round magazine also available. Priced around $1,104, it includes the FN low-profile optics mounting system, allowing compatibility with various miniature red dot sights without slide milling. Raised sight wings protect the suppressor height iron sights, and the pistol is equipped with a smooth trigger pull ranging from 5.5 to 7.7 pounds. 8. Kimber Micro 9. The Kimber Micro 9 is a compact, single-action pistol chambered in 9mm, designed for concealed carry and personal defense. It features a 3.15-inch barrel, contributing to its sleek profile. Weighing approximately 15.6 ounces, unloaded, it offers portability without significant weight. The standard magazine capacity is 7+1 rounds, with options for extended magazines. Priced around $761, it combines classic 1911 design elements with modern enhancements. Features include a solid aluminum, match-grade trigger with a 7-pound factory setting, white dot sights, and rosewood grips. The Micro 9 delivers reliable performance in a compact package. 7. CZP-10C. The CZP-10C is a compact, striker-fired 9mm pistol renowned for its ergonomic design and reliable performance. It features a 4.02-inch barrel, offering a balance between accuracy and concealability. The unloaded weight is approximately 26 ounces, making it comfortable for daily carry. Standard magazine capacity is 15+1 rounds, with a 10+1 option available for restricted areas. Priced around $399, it offers excellent value. Safety features include a trigger safety, trigger bar safety, and firing pin block. The P10C is praised for its superior ergonomics and shooting comfort. 6. Taurus G3C. The Taurus G3C is a compact, striker-fired 9mm pistol designed for concealed carry and personal defense. It features a 3.2-inch barrel, offering a balance between concealability and accuracy. The unloaded weight is approximately 22 ounces, making it comfortable for daily carry. Standard magazine capacity is 12 rounds, with options for 10-round magazines in restricted areas. Priced around $357.99, the G3C offers excellent value for its features. It includes safety features like a manual thumb safety, loaded chamber indicator, striker block, and trigger safety. With its ergonomic design and reliable performance, the Taurus G3C is a solid choice for budget-conscious shooters. 5. Walther PDP. The Walther PDP Performance Duty Pistol is a 9mm semi-automatic handgun introduced in 2021, designed to replace the PPQ series. It features a modular design, available in compact and full-size variants, with barrel lengths of 4 inches, 4.5 inches, and 5 inches. The full-size model measures 8.5 inches in length, 1.34 inches in width, and 5.7 inches in height, with an unloaded weight of approximately 23.8 ounces. Magazine capacities are 15 rounds for compact and 18 rounds for full-size versions. The PDP is equipped with a performance duty texture grip, an optic-ready slide, and a lighter trigger pull of approximately. The Ruger Security 9 is a budget-friendly 9mm semi-automatic pistol that combines affordability with reliable performance. It features a 4-inch barrel, providing a balance between accuracy and concealability. The unloaded weight is approximately 23.7 ounces, making it comfortable for extended use. Standard magazine capacity is 15 rounds, with options for 17 or 10-round magazines. Priced around $369, it offers excellent value for those seeking a dependable firearm without a hefty price tag. With its durable construction and user-friendly design, the Ruger Security 9 is a solid choice for both new and experienced shooters. 3.Sig Sauer P320M18. The Sig Sauer P320M18 is a compact striker-fired pistol adopted by the U.S. military as the modular handgun system. It features a 3.9-inch barrel, offering a balance between accuracy and concealability. The unloaded weight is approximately 28.1 ounces, providing a solid feel without excessive heft. Standard magazine capacity is 17 rounds, with options for extended magazines. The M18 includes an ambidextrous manual safety with SIG's Romeo series red dot optics. Priced around $600 to $700 USD, it combines military-grade reliability with civilian accessibility. 2H&K VP9. The H&K VP9 is a top-tier striker-fired handgun known for its exceptional performance and ergonomic design. With a barrel length of 4.09 inches, it offers a great balance between accuracy and concealability. The unloaded weight is approximately 25.56 ounces, and the loaded weight is around 32 ounces, 907 grams. It comes with a standard magazine capacity of 15 rounds, with options for extended magazines. The price typically ranges from around $850 to $1,000. With its precision, customizable grip, and unmatched reliability, the H&K VP9 is a favorite among both law enforcement and civilian shooters. 1. Glock 19 Gen 4. The Glock 19 Gen 4 is a compact and reliable handgun, widely used for both self-defense and law enforcement. It features a barrel length of 4.02 inches, striking a perfect balance between accuracy and concealability. The unloaded weight is approximately 23.6 ounces, while the loaded weight is around 30.1 ounces, 853 grams. The standard magazine capacity is 15 rounds, but extended magazines are also available. The price typically ranges from approximately $660 to $840, depending on the seller. With its durable polymer frame and safe action trigger, the Glock 19 Gen 4 remains a trusted choice. That wraps up our list of the 15 most overrated handguns of 2025. While some of these firearms have their strong points, they may not always be the best value for your money. When choosing a handgun, it's important to consider what works best for you, not just what's popular. Be sure to do your research, test out a few options, and make an informed decision before making your next purchase. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more firearm reviews and critiques. Stay safe out there.